16485 West 9th Avenue, doing a sewer scope after repairing the line just outside of the home. 95 foot to the city sewer. There's our city line there. Tap connection into the main. Clay piping out in the street. And then it goes on to cast iron piping at 88 foot. So originally this line had a rag that was stuffed into the sewer line. I don't know if it was malicious or not to back the sewer line up, but it did look like it to me. We attempted to get the rag out of there via drain cleaning equipment, and we were unable to remove it. So we did have to dig up the side of the property here. Surprised to see that this is iron pipe all the way to the street. Usually they run iron pipe only underneath the property, underneath the foundation. It's not unheard of. I have seen cast iron piping run all the way, but it's rare. We did have the hose running down there. It's the water that we see in there. So I would recommend a descale of this line probably every 3 to 5 years. Just to keep it maintained, keep the iron open where it is. There's our connection on to the new pipe there from the cast iron to the SDR. And there's your other clean out. We're going to come up to clean out now. And we'll go down the other clean out. There's our other end of the iron there. Now we are underneath the property in the closet in the basement bedroom. And then there's where everything is dropping down here. And then that's where I originally did my scope and work from, was that clean out right there at that where the pipe goes up. So West 9th sewer line has been repaired, tested, and inspected, and is flowing well at this time. This is the final scope after the repair. And again, I did run the hose down there to test the line. Everything is checked out and testing positive. Again, I do recommend for this sewer line to be descaled, and then descaled every 3 to 5 years.